Are you scared of the dark? Well, meet Pip, a tiny bird who felt just like you. Every night, when the sun went down, Pip would huddle close to his nest and shiver. One stormy night, a big gust of wind blew Pip's nest right out of the tree. Pip was scared and alone. He fluttered around in the dark, trying to find a safe place to land. The rain was pouring down, and the wind was howling. Just when Pip thought he couldn't go on, he saw a warm, cozy light coming from a nearby house. He flew towards the light and landed on a windowsill. A kind old lady saw Pip and carefully picked him up. She dried him off with a towel and gave him some warm milk. The old lady let Pip stay in her house until the storm passed. When the sun came up, Pip thanked the lady and flew back to his tree. He had learned that even the bravest birds can be afraid sometimes, but with a little help, they can overcome their fears. And that's how Pip overcame his